borrow the neighbor's manure spreader and the neighbor's John Deere 2010 farm tractor.
Go ahead and shut these back off again. One hand it's a little difficult. This one is for the beaters, and then this one is for the drive chain for the belly. It's got different notches for different feed rates.
No. No. You guys are nosy. Naughty things. You guys stop. You guys are so annoying. Yeah, I know. Stop. Will you move your head?
There's load number 2 for today. We did 5 loads yesterday. Front loader's working amazing. Probably got maybe one more scoop, maybe 2. I don't want to get too close to the wall here and end up pushing on the wall, so we'll just do this by hand, shovel it in the tractor. But let's go spread this one in 2. Let's turn around again. This one squeeze and all the way down. Little lock. And then this one will run about halfway, because this is the feed speed. Right there is good. And that this one, the far lever, tells it how fast it's going to feed towards the beaters in the back, and then this close lever runs the beaters in the back. They run off of one wheel, one off the other wheel. Somebody tell our lovely camera lady to hurry up. We need to go spread some manure. Uh-oh, we're all out of poo. Time to go get some more. Shut this bad boy off. We'll shut this bad boy off. Locked it in place. And we'll shut this one off. Yep. Locked into place. Time to go get one strip left on this field, and I'm going to go over to the neighbor's field and start off on that one, see where we go. Now, since we got an empty load, we're gonna go back to the fertilizer factory, aka the horse running shelter. Speaking of that horse running shelter, we got some fixing going on with that in the springtime. We got some updates and safety things we want to work on once springtime rolls around. We might actually get to it this fall. We're gonna see. There we go. Can't get it all with the tractor. Some of it's going to be handwork. We're almost there. This will probably be one of the last few loads. If it's not the last one, it's probably the second to last. Lights at the end of the tunnel. It's probably hard for you guys to see, but this is the last load and it's getting a little dark. So let's get spreading this. Probably poor image quality because it's so dark out. This tractor don't have lights on it. It's not mine. So, yeah. But we're getting it done. This is the last load. I think this makes 12 altogether. A lot of horse poop. We've got 5 horses that we've had for 2 years. We just got a 6th a couple weeks ago. So we're probably going to make this a yearly chore, not just a bi-yearly chore. But this John Deere 2010 just purrs like a kid. I like it. It's a John Deere 2010 gas engine. works real nice with a new idea manure spreader, ground-driven manure spreader. I did most of this in third gear, like mid RPM. This row I'm doing, this last bit I'm doing in fourth gear, a little bit lower RPM, just because it's getting dark out and I need to finish up. This is the last load, and no lights and stuff, kind of making it a little difficult. A lot darker than it seems. And then once we're all done with this, I'll go park this in the barn for the neighbor, put it away for the night. It's starting to go up uphill, so let's downshift here into third, so I can make it up the hill. A little bit more RPM. Give it a little bit more juice. We're making it up the hill now. Almost finished with this load. It just purrs like a kitten uphill. This is pretty steep too. Yeah, it's kind of difficult for you to see. Here's a rock. But yeah, really beautiful place here. We got fall colors hitting on the hillside. We're in a nice big valley here. And got a beautiful 100-year-old barn right there. I gotta park this tractor and spreader in for